Oh nah, here we go. America the brave still fears what we don't know. And God loves all his children, it's somehow forgotten. But we paraphrase a book written 3,500 years ago. I don't know.
And I can't change, even if I tried, even if I wanted to.
We research legal issues regarding transgendered individuals, and this is a quick snapshot of just how much being transgender and different from the societal norm affects them. The main legal issues that they are experiencing are when spending time in prison, being a member of the armed forces, attempting to change their birth certificate, and adopting children. As you can see from the picture, 41% of transgender individuals are not able to change their gender on their ID. Additionally, a portion of transgender people are also refused medical care, and some experience homelessness. Transgendered individuals are more likely to be questioned and stopped by the police due to the fact that they are not the same as those around them. Additionally, they are more likely to be engaged in survival crimes such as sex work, end up behind bars, and more likely to face abuse. They are humiliated daily, physically, sexually, and emotionally scarred for life.
Diamond identifies as a transgender woman, but was locked up in an all-male prison. Inside, she says that she was raped more than 7 times, beat up, and verbally abused.
Because of these altercations, the NCTE and other advocates have started to press for stronger protection against transgender individuals and gender nonconforming people's interactions with the criminal justice system and local, state, and federal law enforcement officials and the public at large. They are really pushing to implement the Prison Rape Elimination Act to protect the prisoners. Laverne Cox, star of Netflix series Orange is the New Black, is a transgender woman who is often treated differently in prison because she is trans. Current servicemen and women in the military and also veterans face a multitude of issues in society because they identify as transgender male or female. The support that they receive has improved greatly, but they still do not receive the same level of support that the average veteran or military personnel would have.
It was a command sergeant major in Afghanistan who pulled me to his office, and he said, "I need to know exactly what you are."
In 2011, the repeal of Don't Ask, Don't Tell allowed guys, lesbians, and bisexuals in the military to serve openly. Sadly, the repeal doesn't include transgender individuals, therefore they are still banned, and Landon Wilson was discharged from the military because of this policy. Changing the sex on a birth certificate of a transgender person is very important. The process varies from state to state and can be a very difficult task. To accurately prove the legitimacy of the legal document of the person is required to provide medical forms to prove the correct identity. Specifically in Pennsylvania, the Division of Vital Records will reissue a birth certificate upon court order or submission of a letter from the treating physician stating the reassignment surgery has been performed.
Maddie Ashton identifies as a woman, but her birth certificate says otherwise, and that can cause some confusion.
They're expecting someone, a male figure to come through that door, but when it's a female coming through that door and they see a male name, it's like, what's going on here?
Maddie was looking for work, and then came the questions.
I'm a transgender, and so I have to explain myself, and then I get the, okay, I got it, I understand, and then I don't hear from them no more.
That's why Maddie and others want to be able to reclassify their sex on their birth certificates.
The Independent Adoption Center is an open adoption agency that works with couples and individuals who are looking to adopt in 49 out of the 50 states. They have no exclusionary policies and restrictions towards race, religion, age, marital status, sexual orientation, or gender identity. The IAC has indicated that families that are transgender have the same wait time to be matched with a child as heterosexual, gay, and lesbian couples do. Additionally, they have indicated that no state prohibits transgender parents from adopting children. At this time, Mississippi and Utah, however, prohibit adoptions by lesbians and gay men if they are single and not adopting with another individual.
I can't change the fact that this is how I feel inside, and that's how Claire feels inside. I'm a human being, and I've fallen in love with another human being.
We want love, and we should have the right to be married and love the person that, we were born to be with. I'm Claire.
And I'm Jim, and we're a transgender couple. adoption agencies might be a little leery of adopting to either trans people or gay people, regardless of whether I'm trans or not. We would make very fit parents.
Yes, it does take time. Some people wait 2 weeks, some people wait 4 years.
Wow, and that's after you've gone through the whole screening process.
Yeah, that's after you've gone through the screening process. We've had 5 families where either one or both of the partners were transgendered adopt.
That's amazing.
But then there's like
Oftentimes, transgendered individuals are nervous and hesitant to take the next step in adopting a child because of them being transgender. But as the adoption agent from the IAC said in the video, although it may take a while for them to adopt, they do have successful adoptions.
I might not be the same, but that's not important. No freedom till we're equal. Damn right I support it.